Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another off-road trailer we just got in stock. This one's a 2019 7x16 off-road trailer. This one's in a charcoal blackout, stock number 14763. It's loaded up full of goodies. This also has a 7-foot interior height, so if you guys have side-by-sides, UTVs, razors, that sort of thing, most of them will fit in here. Absolutely no problem with that extra interior height. This one does have the front generator platform. Along the front, you've got a side swivel jack and a removable heavy-duty front coupler. Diamond plate rock guard along the bottom and up both the corners, so you've got some great rock protection. Side door does have a window in it. It is a slider window with a screen. It is tinted, it is lockable, and then you also have a LED spot over that nice side door as well. Double lock protection with the RV lock and cam bar. You also have two of the recessed LED party lights in the side of the trailer, so you guys are going to have awesome light off the side here, and they are on separate switches, so you guys can kind of control how you want to have your light on at night. This one does have a power package. You have an exterior GFI outlet located right here next to the side door. Two 3,500-pound axles with brakes, 32-inch mud terrain tires, black diamond plate fender, American racing wheels. You've got about 21 inches worth of ground clearance on this unit as well, so you guys can really get off-road and have some fun. There's a couple windows in here. We'll look at that more in a second. Also, you've got an overhead aluminum ladder and ladder rack on top right there. Gives you an additional 7x7 worth of storage space on top of the trailer. Drop down stabilizer jacks. This one also has a rear ramp door. It does have spring assist close. It also has the rear deck option on it, so you guys have stabilizer jacks underneath this ramp, and instead of it being down like this to load, you can just essentially put it out so it's parallel and have some additional outdoor space. All LED exterior running lights, of course, plus you've got an LED spot load light here off the ramp door, which is great. You guys can angle that down more if you want to angle down to project your light, and you also have a switch right here as soon as you drop that ramp door, so you can immediately get some load light, which is nice. Again, 7-foot interior height in this unit, insulated walls and ceiling, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner in here as well. Nudo floor with Drymax. The Nudo floor is a great performance floor here. On top and underneath is Drymax, which is a product that does not absorb the water or the moisture, which is underneath the trailer as well. So great for longevity purposes. It's a nice upgrade. You've got 4 LED puck lights in this unit. They each have an individual toggle switch on them. These are super bright little efficient lights. I love these lights. And then those again are hooked up to their own switch, or you can control them individually with that toggle switch. And those are going to be powered along with all of your exterior lighting off of this battery with the battery charger. So it's really nice. You guys don't have to be plugged into a generator or your truck to have interior or exterior lighting. Now again, we talked about a power package. This does have that 30 amp box. You've got a nice big long cord. You pop that right through the floor. You can plug that into your generator or your extension cord or whatever you're doing. Once you've got power to the trailer with your 30 amp service, that's going to power up your AC unit with a heat strip. You guys can see that right here, as well as your 2 overhead 4-foot LEDs. So great interior light as well, with lots of different options, because you've got these LEDs on one switch, you've got your pucks on another switch. So gives you guys, again, a lot of different options for lighting, interior and exterior. Now you also have 4 D-rings ready to go, recessed in the floor. You've got 2 here at the front, 2 more. I'm going to spin around here at the rear. Plus you've got all the recessed E-track in each of the walls. This E-track is great. It's great for tie-down points. It's also great for building bunks and beds and that sort of a thing off of those E-tracks. So lots of different options there as well for tie-down points. Back up here gives you guys a good look at the windows. These are 18 by 44 slider windows with screens. Again, they're just like the one in the side door. They are tinted, they're lockable, and you guys can even open up that screen all the way. So gives you guys a lot of natural light in the trailer. Plus you've got an overhead max air roof vent. This has the bubble cover over it with a filter, so you guys can have that open and not worry about water coming in on your stuff, or forgetting to close it before you drive home and ripping it off. Plus it's a little bit more hail proof than your standard roof vent. Now we've got 3 interior outlets as well. 1, 2, 3, 4 up front, 4 interior outlets plus the 1 exterior GFI outlet. So lots of different places to plug stuff in as well. So here it is. This unit will have approximately a 3,500 pound payload capacity, so plenty for toys. And we've got this on sale at $15,977 plus tax. So as always, you guys can reach us by calling 303-688-8485. We are the exclusive off-road trailer dealer, and we would love to earn your business. You may also view all of our inventory online at coloradotrailersinc.com. And we have shipping options available for you guys as well. I've got a great transporter that runs for super cheap rates. So we can call in, you guys can call in and get a shipping quote. If you don't live near us, we can still get you a trailer. So here it is again, 303-688-8485. We'd love to earn your business, and be sure to like and subscribe.